Welcome to Raymore Air Duct Cleaning. We are the top air duct cleaning company around, and we look forward to serving you and your neighbors. Our staff is highly trained to make sure you receive the best air duct cleaning service in town, with over 10 years of 5-star service. We promise to do the job right and with integrity. We use the RAM air system with an air blasting technology. This ensures that we clean your ductwork fully without damaging your air duct lines. We also spray a plant-based antimicrobial in your duct to kill any bad bacteria. This ensures you are 100% satisfied with our air duct cleaning process. And if you have any questions about our process, please call our office at 816-296-6298. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to serving you and your family. So be sure to call Raymore Air Duct Cleaning for all your air duct cleaning and sanitizing needs.